Hey, so we're back in the garage, and this will be a quick video on doing a tune-up on a STIHL KM91R gas-powered weed eater. These steps should be similar across most STIHL gas-powered weed eaters, so if you have a different model number, this video should help you out as well. First, you'll have to get the trimmer service kit, which consists of an air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug. I highly recommend buying genuine STIHL replacement parts just because they work well. To find your trimmer service kit, go to stihlusa.com. Click Products and then click Trimmers, and then finally check this filter box on the side for accessories. Here's where you'll find the trimmer service kit product. Click on it and you'll be able to select the kit that is applicable to your trimmer model number. You'll have the option to pick up the kit at your nearest authorized STIHL retailer store, which is free, or you can have it shipped to your home for an added shipping cost. There are other kits available on Amazon, but they are cheap knockoffs of the genuine STIHL parts, and I wouldn't recommend getting those. Alright, now that we have the STIHL service kit in hand, let's get started by replacing the fuel filter first. I'll be using the multi-tool that was provided with my STIHL weed eater, but you can use other tools if you have them. First step is to unscrew the gas cap, and inside you'll see the fuel filter floating around. You'll need to get that fuel filter out, and I basically used a flathead screwdriver to work it out. I've seen other people use a wire coat hanger to get this old fuel filter out. Just use whatever is easier for you. Once the fuel filter is out, just carefully pull the old fuel filter off this rubber hose like I'm doing here. And then take the new fuel filter and carefully push the pointed end into the rubber hose until it's all the way in like this. Once it's connected, drop that filter and hose back into the gas tank and close it up. Now we'll change out the air filter. Turn the motor onto its side and you'll see a cover with 2 torque screws holding it in. Use the multi-tool to remove those torque screws, which I believe are the T27 size torque screws. Take the cap off and you'll see the air filter underneath. Take off the old air filter and you can see how dirty it is compared to the new filter. This is what helps your engine breathe, so replacing this air filter is very important. Put the new filter in and then place the cover back on and tighten the bolts. Okay, now we'll replace the spark plug. On the top of the motor, you'll find the cover to the spark plug. Using the multi-tool, loosen the torque screws and take the cover off. Carefully remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Take this end of the multi-tool, which is basically a 19mm spark plug wrench, and carefully loosen the spark plug. Remove the plug and you can see how bad this old one was. Here's a comparison with the new plug. Insert the new plug and carefully thread the spark plug with your fingers. You want to hand tighten this as much as possible to reduce the risk of cross-threading. Once you can't hand tighten anymore, use the spark plug wrench and tighten until the crush washer is tight. Now reconnect the spark plug wire and click into place. Put the cover back on and tighten with the multi-tool. I'm just going to fill it up with some fuel mix and then we'll give it a start. Set the choke and prime her up. First pull and it started just fine. You'll want to do this maintenance every season at least once. If you're running these things more often, it might help to do this tune-up more frequently. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.